Can you imagine how portable a public address system can be? Experience professional PA system that defies traditional conventions. No server required, convenient, one-step installation. It can be applied to any broadcast scenario you can imagine. Direct control via Skylark mobile app enables remote operations from various locations.
Attention, attention please. Attention, attention please.
Working hard. Day up. Working hard. Day up.